Hi, this is Nir from Novisign. Today I'm going to show you how to broadcast Twitter feeds from your screen to the big screen using Novisign software. So first thing, you need to be logged in into your studio account. Then what you have to do is to press the compose button and create a new blended creative. Let's give it a name. Let's call it Twitter Creative. Press the create button and we're inside the Creative Composer. Now all we need to do is to drag the Twitter widget to the canvas. I have to log in, so I'll use my account. It's connecting to Twitter, and I think I'm in. So first thing, I need to choose either have it as a scrolling layout or free layout. Let's start with the scrolling layout. This is the most simple one. I'll press the OK, and here it is, up and running on my screen. So in the right side where I see the properties, I have a couple of properties which I can change, such as reload every. For example, here it's 5 minutes. This is the default. Up to 10 items. That means the last new 10 items. I can choose tweets by me, tweets by hashtag, or tweets which were mentioned by a user, or choose the advanced. Now if I choose the advanced, I have this question mark here which I can click, and then it will give me the Twitter operator reference, in which I can use some keywords in order to get tweets by special pattern, such as we see here. Now I can also control the ticker speed, direction, spacing, and so on. I can change the title, for example, date, message, or nothing, or user, if I like. Now the title is what I see here. This is the title. When I see here the date and the user, I can change it to something else, like put the message here, but probably I'd like to have the user, more friendly. Also I can change the content where I see the message, or put something else. And very cool is the format. I can change the format, for example, for hashtag. Let's change it into blue, like that. Now everything which is a hashtag will appear in blue. Also I can change the style of the username, if the username appears inside the tweet itself. I don't have it here, but trust me, it works. Also I can change the URL to something else, show only the domain, only the last part, replace it with something, or keep it unchanged. And of course the style of the URL, if I like, let's use something else, like maybe this green. And the date format, of course. Now the rest of the properties are the usual ones. I need to press the save button. Let's move it to this side. Now if I like, I can add another Twitter widget. Again, log in every time, and this time I'm going to use the other layout, which is called free layout. I'll press the OK, and this is the richest layout, more customizable. I can change whatever I want. If I double click here, I can drag elements. For example, user picture, I can put it here again. Or if I like, let's take the message and put it here. Change it, drag it, press the save, Now if I like to refresh the content of what I see now, I just need to press this button, and that's it. Now if I like, I can press the preview, but let's go on and press the close editor, and let's see how am I going to broadcast this to the big screen. So I have a new creative which is called Twitter Creative. I'm going to add that to a new playlist. I'm going to call it Twitter Playlist. Let's give it some more time, 999 seconds. Press the create button, and there we have a Twitter playlist. Last thing to do is to go and create a new player. Let's call it Office Front to represent the place in which the screen is going to be located. Now I'm going to drag the Twitter playlist to this canvas, press the create button, and there it is. I have a player which has this Twitter playlist assigned. All I need to do is to access that by pressing the edit button, then copy the long screen key, and then I need to paste it either in my Android device, in my Novisign app, or if I have a Windows app, I can do the same, just like that. Just like that, copying and pasting the screen key, pressing the let's roll, and that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, we're there. We have Twitter feeds. Now the left one, which is the free layout, is going to be updated every 10 seconds with the next feed. And that's it. Thank you for visiting us, and please come again.